This is Joey Copper with Property Management Partners. We're a property management firm located in Wichita, Kansas, providing services for both residential and commercial applications. Today I'm going to talk about win-win situations for landlords and tenants. Now sometimes there's this notion that what's good for the tenant isn't good for cash flow and vice versa, that there's some battle you have to balance. Now I just want to talk for a few minutes to dispel this notion and discuss how there's truly win-win situations when you're doing property management. Now today I'll focus a lot on the residential side since it comes up most commonly. The number one thing I want to talk about is what's good for the tenant is also good for the landlord. For example, if you take maintenance, sometimes people think that maintenance is just an expense to the owner and a pain to the tenant. What I want to discuss today is if you do maintenance correctly, it'll provide a more reliable and safe home for the tenants to live in, which is a benefit for them. But it'll also save on your ultimate maintenance costs as a landlord and improve the value of your property. Now this is just one example where it's a win-win for both situations, but I think it's an important one. Ultimately, at the end of the day, a tenant wants to live in a nice, safe, reliable home that gives them some stability. The landlord just wants a tenant to take care of their house, to pay monthly rent, and to cover the bills and maintenance items where applicable. Now, both these things can happen at the same time if you have a good property manager that focuses on a good service to both the owner and the tenant. Once again, I'm Joey Copper with Property Management Partners. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help you.